September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. And for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung event namin. Fashion show event. Hair and makeup. Parang bridal fashion show. Ganon. And I'm with Ashley, Bridal, and Ravi. Ayan. Later makikita nyo kung ano yung flow ng program. Tatry ko ipakita sa inyo. Pero hindi ko alam kung may maghahawak mamaya kasi pala sabay-sabay tayo. And now, nagpe-prepare na yung mga makeup artists. Ayan, nag-start na kaming mag-makeup. Makeupan niya na ako. And later, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung magiging itsura ko. And yung flow ng program, yung bridal fashion show. Mini bridal fashion show lang naman to. And meron din daw kami later na second look. Itatry ko din ipakita sa inyo. Abay ka ba or ikakasal? Ano ka ba? First komunya. Hindi, si Ashley, birthday. JS! Wow! Ayun, second look na kami. I-retouch na yung eyeshadow. Gagawing mas darker siya kaysa sa kanina sa first look. Then, lulugay na yung hair. Then, yung belo, tatanggalin na. Sa mga totoong kinakasal talaga, yung iba, gusto talaga nila may second look sila. Yung iba naman, okay lang na kung ano yung first look nila, yun na yung first look nila sa una. Pero, meron din talaga na nagpapa-second look pa sila. Lalo na kapag yung reception nila is medyo magagabi na. kailangan nila yon kasi mas darker na dapat yung eyeshadow nila na. So, depende din talaga yun sa mga brides. And, yun yung pinapractice ng mga makeup artists ngayon.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright.
Congratulations to Miss Rodessa Carmen Carola / Deca for the Bridal Masterclass Course 2019.
Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're what I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
Ayun, natapos na yung buong araw natin sa mini bridal fashion show. And masaya naman. Kahit na nakakapagod, masaya siya kasi marami kaming na-meet ng new friends and mga bagong makeup artists na sobrang mababait. Hindi ko na nakunan yung mga iba pa na pangyayari kasi wala talagang maghahawa kasi sobrang busy talaga nung lahat kami as in busy. And sana nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you for watching and please hit the bell button below and subscribe para updated kayo sa mga next videos ko pa. Thank you! Bye! Bye-bye! 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 Bye-bye!